you are looking to grow your money through savings and investment, this video is for you. We'll be looking at the top 7 apps you can use to invest in Nigeria. I'll be telling you what I like and what I don't like about each of them. So if this is the kind of content you like, investment ideas, side hustles, passive income, this is the right place for you. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel for more secure the bag content. Before we go into these apps, I want to clarify some things and some questions you might have. What will happen when this platform goes down, or what happens when this platform is no longer in business? I understand the concern because these days there are even so many platforms I can't even keep up, and there is a possibility that some of them might not be running a solid business. But one thing I can tell you and one thing I look out for is to be sure that the platform I'm using is affiliated or is licensed or is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. So what happens in this case now is, even if anything happens with the platform itself, you don't have to worry, because in most cases this platform is like a third-party channel. Let me use an example now. Passfolio. I don't know if you know Passfolio. It's an app we used to invest in the US stock. So I think about 2 years ago or thereabout, they said they're no longer in business. They can't continue again. What they did was to notify all of us, and because they have a broker that is also the broker for other platforms, so they moved us from Passfolio to another platform. It was seamless. Like, you don't even have to do anything. And they sent an email and said if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. If not, do nothing. Next thing is the new platform they moved us to now reached out to us. Okay, they are now our new platform. You can log in and business continues. So that is it. If you're investing in, say, Nigerian stock or US stock, so that a platform is doing the right thing, that is affiliated with a broker, you don't have to worry. That is number one. Number two is that, do you need dollars to invest? Maybe you want to invest in the US stock or in foreign currency. No, you don't need dollar. So how do you fund this platform? So some of them, you can deposit your naira. When you deposit naira, you can swap it on the platform, okay? So you don't need to go and open a dollar account if you don't want, just for the purpose of investing. Just get started. I think most of them create a dedicated bank account. With that account now, once you transfer money into the account, it reflects on the platform. Now, if you want to do dollar investments on the platform, you can swap it from naira to dollar. So now we've gotten that out of the way, let's get into the top 7 investment apps you can use to invest in Nigeria. Number 1 is Afrinvestor 2.0. Personally, I use this platform mostly for investing in Nigerian stock. It is owned by Afrinvest West Africa, one of the top investment platforms in Nigeria. So on Afrinvestor 2.0, you can invest in stocks, you can invest in commercial paper, and you can invest in treasury bills. So these are some of the investments you can do on the platform. For me personally, I use it mostly for Nigerian stock. One thing I like about this platform, like I have said before, is owned by an investment bank. Because I'm an investment banker, I'm a bit more comfortable. I'm more comfortable with using the platform, maybe on like other platforms. And again, their web version works very perfectly for me. For most of the platform, the web versions are not really very functional. But for Afrinvestor 2.0, the web version works for me. What I don't like about this platform, at a point, I had issues with the mobile app. That's when I switched the web version and realized that I even love the web version more. So now I think the app is working perfectly fine, because I have people in my community using the app. I just got used to the web version, so when I want to buy stock, I just log in. But I still have the app. I check my portfolio and everything on it. So if you want to invest using Afrinvestor 2.0, I'm going to drop the link in the caption, so you can follow the link, sign up, and get started. Number 2 app you can use to invest in Nigeria is Optimus by Afrinvest. Just like the Afrinvestor, Optimus is owned by Afrinvest West Africa, an investment bank. Hence, I love the platform because I'm now confident. Afrinvest has been in business for more than 25 years, so it gives an element of comfort using the platform. On Optimus, you can do different things. You can buy US stock, you can invest in mutual funds, you can save in naira and dollars. I actually love that platform. Why do I like it? There's so many investment options on the platform. In fact, since I started using Optimus, I don't really use some of my other apps because I can do a lot of things on this platform, and knowing that I have confidence in them. I think right now they have the best rates that I know. So their rate is really very competitive. On the platform, they are different. You can say for 3 months, for 6 months. There are also flexible plans. And another thing I like about them is you can deposit dollar cash. Let's say you have dollar cash you want to invest in. You can just walk to the bank and deposit the dollar. Most platforms don't take dollar deposit, but they do. So that is another reason I love Optimus by Afrinvest. If you want to invest in this platform, I'm also going to drop the sign up link on the description. So follow the link and sign up. The app is really streamless. I'm enjoying using it right now. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not done so, please just take 2 seconds, subscribe to the channel, helps the channel to grow, and it is free. Number 3 app you can use to invest in Nigeria is Bamboo. So Bamboo originally was what I used for foreign stock, and they are very good in that. I still have my portfolio in Bamboo. I like the app, it's easy to use, and something I really like about them is that they are interested in financial literacy. There are a lot of learning materials on their platform, and another thing is that they have some recommendations, and another thing is that you can get stock ideas, because on the platform you see the portfolio of some top personalities, the stocks they have and everything. So you can invest both foreign stock, treasury bills, and even Nigerian stocks on Bamboo. And they do dollar savings, fixed income dollar savings. You can lock your dollar for like 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year and earn interest in return. So Bamboo is also another platform to check out. And I know they work with DriveWealth. DriveWealth is a US broker. Optimus by Afrinvest uses DriveWealth. Bamboo uses DriveWealth. So these two platforms use the same broker when it comes to US stock. Number 4 app you can use to invest in Nigeria is Cowrywise. So Cowrywise is popularly known for mutual funds. They have so many mutual funds on Cowrywise, both Naira, both dollar, and you can also do savings and earn interest on Cowrywise. Something I like about Cowrywise is the rates are competitive, yeah, and there are wide options of mutual funds there. Whereas in Optimus right now, Optimus you can only invest in mutual funds of Afrinvest, whereas in Cowrywise you can invest in mutual funds of so many companies, FBN, Quest, UBA, and everything. So Cowrywise has wide range of mutual funds, and again I must give it to them, their rate is also competitive. And another thing, they have halal investment, you know, for Muslims that invest without interest. They can leverage Cowrywise to invest in their halal funds. Is that what it's called? Halal. Oh, sorry. I don't know the correct pronunciation, but you can invest in it in Cowrywise. Number 5 platform you can use to invest in Nigeria is PiggyVest. I bet you know PiggyVest because they opened our eyes to the world of savings online and everything. PiggyVest did a great job in that field. So on PiggyVest you can save in Naira and dollars, although the dollar savings sometimes you will not see dollar. Let me tell you something that happened. Do you remember there was one time dollar and Naira rate is flying so high? So I went to my Optimus app. I wanted to get some dollars, but I saw the rate. It was a bit high, although that is like what is the normal rate in the market. Trust me now, financial woman. I said let me compare it. I went to PiggyVest. I saw a lower rate on PiggyVest. If you see speed, I used to withdraw my money from Optimus. So I withdrew my money from Optimus and moved it to PiggyVest so I can buy the dollar on PiggyVest. When I now got to PiggyVest, I initiated the transaction to do my dollar savings there. Now I put how much I want to buy. Guess what they told me? My sister in the Lord, guess what they told me? These people told me that there is no dollar at the moment or something like that. Jesus. And you made me withdraw my money from where it is. So at that point, they didn't have dollar. I don't know about now. That's one thing that somehow they will tire me. Sometimes they don't have dollars. But in other aspects, PiggyVest is doing a good work. Something I like about them, the platform is very easy to use. And I really love that in fact, I think they are the trailblazers in this market. Although PiggyVest help our life. Increase your rate now. Increase your rate. I know. So for some platforms, most of us, we are happy regardless of the rate they are giving us, because you know that these are expert fund managers. But for many of us, we are comfortable with whatever rates they are giving us because we know that at least our money is in a good hands. So have I mentioned the app you use? Is there anyone you use I have not mentioned? Don't worry, we have 2 more to go. And please like this video so that it gets to many more people and subscribe to the channel. Number 6 platforms you can invest in from Nigeria is Risevest. So personally, I don't use Risevest. I know it's a nice platform. A lot of people in my community use Risevest, but then you can use all the platforms. I think I have an account there. So on Risevest, mostly you invest in portfolios. I think they have stock portfolio, they have real estate portfolio. So you invest into this fund. Although you don't really have the liberty to decide what you want to invest because you're investing in a pool of funds, and they also have the one that will give you fixed rates. The rates are really decent. You know, they have the one you can invest. You already know the fixed rates you are getting from it. And then the other ones like the stock fund, the real estate fund, I think that one, the rate is not fixed. You can explore, but Risevest is another platform you can use in Nigeria, and they do a lot of dollar investing. And finally, number 7 is Afrinvest. So Afrinvest, this one have everything. Afrinvest has everything. If you want stock, euro bond, commercial paper, treasury bill, fixed saving, you will see it on Afrinvest. I know they are supported by Sterling Bank. So Afrinvest is another platform you can use to invest in any of these things if you want. I don't use it personally, but I know it's a great platform. I've seen their user interface. They have so many things, and that's the attraction. When you get a platform, you can have whatever you want without having to jump to different places. So you can get that with Afrinvest. You can check it out. I'm going to link the sign up link for all of these platforms on the description so that anyone you are interested in, you can just get right into it. But please do your due diligence. I am sharing what I have used or what my people use, and they serve us very well. There you have it, the top 7 apps you can use to invest in Nigeria. See, there's another video that I need you to watch now. If you want to start investing in foreign stock, in US stock, Amazon, Netflix right away, I have a detailed video that you can watch to get started. I'm going to link it either up or check the description. I'm going to link that video because this investing, we must not dull. You cannot be on this platform. You can be a member of this channel, a member of this our community, and you're done with your investment. So go right away, watch that video on how you can start investing in stocks step by step and get started. And you can use any of the platform we mentioned, the ones that have foreign stocks, to start your investment journey. Thank you so much for watching. See you on that next video about foreign stock. Come to the comment section. Did I mention this platform you use? Is there any platform I didn't mention you want to know if it is a good option or not? Let me know in the comments, and I'm going to give you my opinion about it. Bye, financial woman.